How to fix Instagram cannot find your account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem of Instagram from your phone. So whenever you Instagram and try to log in to your account from the Instagram, you are unable to log in because it says your account is not found here. Now how you can solve this problem is you can simply long press on the Instagram, tap on the I section right here. Now you can go on the storage and you can delete all the cache and data from the Instagram and you can force stop it for once. Go on the Google Play Store of your device. After going on the Google Play Store of your device, on the top search bar, simply search for Instagram and now you need to update and install the latest version of Instagram from here. While doing this, you can go on the Google and see all the selected passwords of your Instagram if you don't remember the passwords. And now when you try to log into the Instagram, your problem might be solved and you can simply open your Instagram account now. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.